Have you ever received an email that made you roll your eyes and hit the delete button without a second thought? We've all been there. In today's digital age, our inboxes are flooded with countless emails vying for our attention. So how can you make sure your emails stand out from the crowd? The answer lies in targeted segmentation techniques. Segmentation is the key to delivering personalized and relevant content to your subscribers. By dividing your email list into smaller segments based on specific criteria, such as demographics, purchase history, or engagement level, you can tailor your messages to resonate with each group of recipients. This not only increases the chances of them opening and reading your emails, but also boosts conversions and customer loyalty. So let's dive into some effective segmentation techniques that will take your emails from blah to wow. Demographic segmentation. Understanding who your subscribers are is crucial for crafting tailored messages. Start by segmenting based on demographic information such as age, gender, location, or job title. For example, if you're promoting a new line of skincare products targeting women in their 30s living in urban areas would be more effective than sending it to a generic audience. Purchase history. Segmenting based on past purchases allows you to send highly targeted recommendations or exclusive offers related to their previous buying behavior. If someone has recently purchased a smartphone from your online store, sending them an email about compatible accessories would be highly relevant and increase the likelihood of making another sale. Engagement level. Not all subscribers interact with your emails equally. Some may open every message while others rarely engage at all. Segmenting based on engagement level helps identify these different groups so that you can tailor future campaigns accordingly. For instance, re-engaging inactive subscribers with special incentives like discounts or freebies could reignite their interest in what you have to offer. Behavior-based segmentation. By tracking user behavior on your website or app, you can create segments based on specific actions such as abandoned carts, product views, or content downloads. Sending personalized follow-up emails reminding users of their abandoned items or offering related products can significantly increase conversion rates and drive revenue. Life cycle stage. Segmenting subscribers based on where they are in the customer journey allows you to deliver targeted content that matches their needs and interests at each stage. For example, new subscribers might benefit from a welcome series introducing them to your brand and its offerings, while loyal customers could receive exclusive previews of upcoming products or VIP discounts. Now that we've explored some effective segmentation techniques, let's delve into why implementing these strategies is essential for email marketing success. Increased open rates. When your emails are tailored specifically to each segment's preferences and needs, they become more enticing to open. By personalizing subject lines and content based on segmentation criteria like demographics or purchase history, you can grab the recipient's attention right from their inbox. Higher click-through rates, CTRs. Relevant content drives higher engagement levels, which translate into increased CTRs. When subscribers feel that an email speaks directly to them and offers valuable information or solutions tailored to their interests, they are more likely to click through and take the desired action. Improved conversion rates. Segmented campaigns have been proven time and again to outperform generic mass emails when it comes to conversions. By delivering highly targeted messages with relevant offers at the right time in a customer's journey, you maximize the chances of converting leads into paying customers. Enhanced customer loyalty. When subscribers receive personalized emails that cater precisely to their preferences, it fosters a sense of loyalty towards your brand. They feel understood and valued as individuals rather than just another name on a mailing list, increasing the likelihood of repeat purchases and long-term customer relationships. In conclusion, targeted segmentation techniques are a game-changer when it comes to email marketing. By dividing your email list into smaller segments based on demographics, purchase history, engagement level, behavior, and life cycle stage, you can deliver personalized and relevant content that resonates with each group of recipients. This results in increased open rates, higher CTRs, improved conversion rates, and enhanced customer loyalty. So why settle for blah emails when you can wow your subscribers with tailored messages that truly speak to them? Start implementing these segmentation techniques today and watch your email campaigns soar to new heights.